Now to some promising signs of vaccines and treatments for COVID-19. They are emerging. Scientists at Oxford University in the United Kingdom say their experimental vaccine has led to an immune response in everybody who got the shot. Clinical trials of treatments that use the plasma of recovered COVID-19 patients are also on the rise. Choi Jung-yoon reports.
A potential COVID-19 vaccine developed by Oxford University has reportedly produced a promising immune response in a large early-stage human trial. According to data published Monday in the medical journal The Lancet, 100% of some 1,000 participants in the trial developed antibodies. Jointly developed with pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca, the vaccine also produced killer T cells that help patients combat the infection by attacking the infected cells. The World Health Organization welcomed the news, but warned that there's a long road ahead.
Effectively, we have 23 COVID-19 candidate vaccines in clinical development, and as of today, we add one candidate vaccine for which phase 1 clinical data is available. But again, there is a long way to go. These are phase 1 studies. We now need to move into larger scale real-world trials.
Other vaccine developers also had positive news, with America's Pfizer and Germany's BioNTech successfully immunizing their 60 participants. Pfizer and BioNTech now plan to begin testing on some 30,000 volunteers this month to prove the efficacy of their vaccine. Human trials on treatments for the virus are also accelerating. The effects of treatments like remdesivir and hydroxychloroquine remain uncertain and are only reported to work on limited groups. But a convalescent plasma therapeutic, which uses COVID-19 antibodies extracted from recovered patients, is on the rise as an alternative. A website by the U.S. National Institutes of Health that tracks clinical trials in action shows the number of clinical trials for a plasma treatment increased to around 120 in July. That's up from just 3 trials in March. But while it's considered one of the most practical treatments for the virus, ramping up collection of the plasma is proving a challenge. Choi Jung-yoon, Arirang News.